seriously no wind, but somehow these local sail yachts are just cruising. 10 minutes later and a huge gust just picked up, having 15 knot winds. Finally switched off the engine, and this is the thrill of sailing.
Well, the clock says it's time to roll, yeah. For all you people, for sure. And maybe some should consider a place that's open till 4. Lights go down and you're ready for the open road. Maybe there's a chance for show. Never really know when we'll be on the other side.
We're nearing the entrance of the mouth of the river, and we hope it's going to be beautiful. We were told actually by a couple of yachts that it's pretty amazing.
Realize that I'm gonna be the one who takes your hand while we're walking through the avenue. Lord, I'm your man, I wanna take you. Lord, I'm your man, who's gonna make you? Then you're so far away from here to be on your own. Then you're so far away from here to be all alone. Never had a reason or a will to deceive you, girl. Maybe there's a chance for sure. Never really knowing if you'll be on the other side when it's time to come home.
Driving with our dinghy to the shore.
Papana, papana! There's Catlin in the distance. Row, row, row your boat.
Jumping down the stream. If you see a crocodile, push your brother out of the dinghy
Out of
and
overboard.
watch him scream.
Ah!
I've got new sunglasses and I've got a backstage passes for y'all. Going fine asses, yeah, oh yeah. Sunshine, girlies and money, what it take to get me on the road. Some gon' be Mr. Soul. I went to this party the other night. Said I wanna feel what my brain it felt like. I grabbed my bottle and I started drinking wine. I thought pretty soon